we are pulling weeds and we are cutting mint. We got a lot of mint growing in here, and I'm trying to get the mint under control. And you can see it's going to seed fast, so I'm trying to cut out the ones that have not gone to seed yet, like this, because they're better for tea. We make tea out of them. You can make just mint water, or you can mix this with tea, black tea, green tea, whatever you like, and it makes an excellent tea. And it's also healthy for you. It's just very refreshing as an iced tea in the summertime. I really enjoy it. It's a beautiful morning. We got some rain yesterday. Not enough, but we did get some. And we're always thankful for whatever amount of rain God gives us. It's supposed to start cooling off some, not being as hot, and that should help our gardens. The stickery stuff, when I've been out pulling it, it gets all over everything, and sometimes I'll find it on my clothes after I've washed it, and I've had it ruin shoes, ruin shirts. You see this back here growing up with them. I got some more mulch. I want to put some more mulch down today after I clean up. But it's not the red cedar. It's wood mulch, and it's put out by the same company, but they were out of the red cedar. I guess everybody likes the red cedar because they get a whole bunch of it in, and the next day it'll be gone.
So how do you keep this mint from spreading and taking over your garden?
You get in, and it has runners. It puts out long runners along the ground, and new mint starts growing up off of these runners, like right here. This one was laying across the ground, headed right for the hibiscus. So I just snip it off, and it will stop it from spreading that way. Got another runner right along here. I'll snip it. See, it's putting out new growth, but this part was growing into the hibiscus. There's another one. There's another one. I just cut them them off. And then that will slow down the mint from spreading.
Now, since it does spread so much and all of that, if you wanted to take it out, what would that involve?
You'd have to dig it up.
And you may have to do it for a couple of years, huh?
You might, yeah.
Because seed could come up.
Uh-huh, yeah. We've had this here for a while. And
it kind of dies out in the winter,
yeah, it'll die back and then
it'll come up
Come back.
from seed again the
Yep.
next year. That's why we cut it and we dry it to have it all through the winter for our tea and stuff. I put it in an airtight container after it's dried.
but be sure it's good and dry.
Yes, or else it will mold.
And now we've got a bunch of runners of mint right here that I will pull them up and cut them off because I don't want them growing out this direction.